Hi, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a circuit from 12 volt DC to 3 volt DC, because obviously I've got this light here. It works only with 3.7 volts DC, and I want to use it with this transformer. This transformer is 12 volt DC. So what I have to do, I need to make a circuit so I can convert 12 volt to 3 volt DC. I'll show you now in here. So as you can see here, this is my light. It's blue, and this is my power supply. My light works with 3.7. So this is 3.7 here, as you can see. So, but I can't use it all the time with this. So I decided to use it with this transformer, which is 12 volt DC, but I need to convert this 12 volt DC to 3.7. So let's go and let me show you what we need and how we can make this work. So first thing we need is 2 Zener diode, 3.7 volts, two IN 4007 diode, and finally 100 ohm resistor. So let's start. So now to start with the Zener diode, you see an anode and the cathode here. The other diode. After that, now it has to be anode and cathode. Now I need to connect the IN 4007 diode to be cathode, anode, like this. So now I need to connect the second diode. So if you go like anode, cathode, so after that, now I need to connect the 100 ohm resistor. See our circuit like this. So now So our circuit is complete now. It's all done. So let's try it. First thing, I need to plug a positive in a 12 volt and negative here. Best put it on here so you can see. And now test. As you can see, it's 12.04. So now let's try and measure it again from this side. So it's 5.1413. So that would be good. So I can use it now for my light. I'm going to connect this adapter instead of this power supply. So So as you can see, this is 12 volt and it's plugged here. So now I need to plug it. Light now, like this. Here. So it's working, and it's 5 volt. It's a 5 volt DC. So I can use it for my light instead of the power supply, because I use it for other things. So thank you for watching this. I hope you enjoy it, and see you in my next videos.